Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Yesterday, we discussed about the island countries, which shows that there are many islands in North America. So, let us discuss about the islands. Islands are the land which is surrounded by the water. There are many islands in Arctic Ocean, that is on the north of North America. From those islands, Greenland is the largest island in the world. As you can see that it is near North America, but it is a part of Europe. So, another islands are Baffin, Victoria, Ellesmere Island, which belongs to Canada. A newfound land. It is a name of island that is on east coast of Canada. Now towards the south. In the Caribbean Sea, there are many islands including Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico. All these small and big islands near North America belongs to North America only. So they all together make 23 countries of North America continent. Now comes the drainage of North America. Drainage is the water availability in that area. So North America have large drainage basins which drain to separate oceans, sea, gulf, etc. Let us discuss one by one. First, that means in this we will discuss about all the rivers, lakes, water availability in the North America. Okay? First, Mississippi. Mississippi is the longest river of North America and fourth longest of the world. Its source is Lake Itasca, and from there it flows towards the south to the central lowlands. Central lowlands we will discuss in detail in further videos. Okay? Drains into the Gulf of Mexico, or we can say ends into the Gulf of Mexico. It has many tributaries, but main two are River Missouri and River Ohio. It mainly drains in USA and only 1% in Canada. Next is River Colorado. This river rises in the Rocky Mountains. Rocky Mountains detail we will study further. And draining southwestern United States and North Mexico, it drains its water in Gulf of California, or we can say to Pacific Ocean, forming a delta. Mississippi River also forms a delta, and Colorado River also forms a delta. It passes through deep, long canyons on its way. Canyons are the deep, narrow valley with steep sides. These are mostly created by tectonic activities or by erosion. That for these details we have already discussed in our last two chapters. Next is St. Lawrence River. It originates at the western end of Lake Superior and drains Canada and some part of United States, or mainly we can say New York. This river provides the basis for the commercial seaways as it drains into the Gulf of St. Lawrence or Atlantic Ocean. It forms the estuary. which helps big ship enter in the mid of continents through the ship. What do you understand by estuary? Now, what is estuary? It is a place where fresh water stream meets the ocean. Here, volume of river is very high, which helps in navigation, or this area is very good in fishing also, as here water is not very salty like oceans and not very fresh like river. So over here in this area, fish availability is very high. Next river is Mackenzie. It is a longest river system in Canada, only in Canada. It originates, or we can say starts from Great Slave Lake and drains Canada and ends into Arctic Ocean. If you see the rivers of the world, then you will observe that mostly rivers flows towards the south. The two big rivers that flows towards the north are River Nile in Africa, that you have studied in your HCG 1 also, and River Mackenzie. So it is a big river flowing towards the north. There are other small rivers also, but they are mostly the tributaries or distributaries of the other rivers. The main rivers we have discussed. Now come the lakes of North America. Great Lakes of North America are freshwater lakes, as the Great Lakes are many lakes together on a small distance, including the Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. These lakes are very important for water transportation. Large ship can reach the interior of continent, as we discussed in the St. Lawrence River. So this much for today. Thank you.